Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the Onesignal app and grabbing the app ID. This ties notifications to your project. Once done, add platform credentials. FCM for Android, APNs for iOS, or Vapid keys for web, because delivery depends on those tokens. Then install the SDK in your client and server environments. Include the initialization snippet with the app ID and default settings so devices can register. Make sure to enable push permissions, prompt where required before moving on. Next, integrate the SDK fully and ensure device registration happens reliably. You call the SDK init, map users with external ID if you need targeted sends, and implement the permission prompt flow so users opt in. Then capture the return player ID and persist it on your backend. Meanwhile, set up server-side REST client with the Onesignal API key so you can create notifications, schedule sends, and test with the stored player ID. This is where logic for segmentation and personalization lives. Finally, send test notifications and validate delivery on real devices and browsers. Use the Onesignal dashboard for quick tests, then exercise your server API flow for production sends. Confirm correct player ID, segments, and payload fields. If things go wrong, inspect Onesignal delivery reports, FCM/APN's error responses, and your server logs. Make sure keys and certificates are current, payloads respect size limits, and clients granted permission. If push still fails, re-register the device and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.